Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School kala jam shaka final haka sian ke baningkong haka under 17 jong kalumpung yalek kai 63rd Subroto Cup International Football Tournament haja apasau hadian bakalala ban Pynliem no ka Government Higher Secondary School ka bana Arunachal Pradesh hadu nyoko lanot haka jinya kun semi final ka balalong haka khandai tarik unai lur haja apasau hatijas football ground ka bahanong ba Delhi Banganson nong plang ula khore ka hat-trick dak ba thap marwe hadu laikol Wali Sesta ula yo ban thap arkol kat ba umeban lamlenti bat umeban kraw kila yo ban thap marshikol lingba kani ka jingjob ka Myngken ka ban bhoi rembong ribhoi district kan penkre ka jinga khun final haka khatwai tarik persha ya ka TJ English School ka ban Manipur ka balala ban Pynliem no ya ka Sri Lanka Schools Football Association da shikola not haka weipat ka jinga khun semi final ka balalong haka ni ka ju hi ka sngi
witness family members here supporting. He's through from the left side. The flag stays down. Good chance to take the lead. And Meghalaya have scored 20 minutes into the game. He celebrates in style because he's given his team the advantage. And speak of the star. And he stepped up. All of you all were telling who your favorite player is. Still with Meghalaya, 3 minutes have been added on. Beautiful weaving, he's clear, he goes for goal, the second one comes in! And Meghalaya are a force to reckon with. And this man, this young lad, is also a force in himself. Second goal for him here in the semi-finals. Oh, beautiful pass there, using his head, both really and smartly. The keeper's off his lines. He's gotten past the keeper. An ideal cross is all it's needed. Oh, he goes for goal. What a finish. And Meghalaya have tripled their lead 39 minutes into the game. The goalkeeper charging forward, not taking care of the issue. And what a goal for Meghalaya. Arunachal Pradesh, they win back possession, but they're just not able to get on with their attack here. Ball goes through the keeper, and the result is as expected. Goal once again for Meghalaya. And it's a goal party indeed at the moment. Once again, long ball, player coming in from the left, he gets it. Could be goal number 5, and it is goal number 5 for Meghalaya. And they just can't stop scoring at the moment, and it's this man once again, a hat-trick for him here in the semi-finals. What a performance. One to remember, one for the ages. Indeed, Sunshine, they are hungry for more goals. And I think they want to fulfill the predictions from some of you. And the 6th goal comes in off his left foot, grounded shot. Keepers often struggle to get to those. And we can hear the celebrations in the background. Still 20 minutes of football left to play. Watching the game, which makes it so much more interesting for us. He's through, he has a good chance. 1v1, will he make that pass? Oh, there we go. My man is showing off. And he deserves to do so because he's had a wonderful tournament. There we go. The cheers come in. And the disappointment also strikes through for the Arunachal Pradesh. Full time here at the Tejas Center in New Delhi. It is Meghalaya with a staggering victory against Arunachal Pradesh, 7-0. As they storm their way into the finals, they will meet Manipur in a couple of days.